Have you ever wondered how to find the cheapest flights? We live in a world that's more connected than ever, with countless destinations just a flight away. But let's face it, air travel can be expensive, and that can limit the experiences we can enjoy. That's where budget travel comes in. Budget travel is all about making the most of your resources, allowing you to stretch your travel dollars and experience more of our wonderful world. A crucial part of budget travel is finding cost-effective air travel. Yes, we're talking about uncovering those elusive, wallet-friendly flights that can open the doors to more adventures. Whether it's exploring a new city, soaking in diverse cultures, or simply satisfying your wanderlust, budget travel can make it happen. And guess what? Finding the cheapest flights isn't as hard as it seems. In fact, it's quite achievable. We're here to guide you through it. So, shall we begin? The first step in securing the best flight deals is research and planning. So, where do we start? Well, first things first, don't limit yourself to one airline. Explore various airlines, their routes, and their timings. You'll be surprised by the price variations you might discover. Next, plan in advance. The early bird gets the worm, right? In this case, the early bird gets the best flight deals. Booking your flight a few months in advance can lead to significant savings. But, how do you keep track of all these airlines and their prices? That's where flight comparison websites come in. These digital platforms compile flight information from various airlines, providing you with a broader search range. So, whether you're booking a last-minute business trip or planning a dream vacation, a little research and planning can help you navigate the often confusing world of flight bookings. Remember, a little research and planning can go a long way in saving you money. Being flexible with your travel dates and times can lead to massive savings. Now let's delve into that a bit further. You see, airlines often have varying prices based on demand, and this demand fluctuates depending on the time of year, day of the week, and even the time of day. So if you're open to traveling during off-peak times, think Tuesday afternoons or late-night red-eyes, you'll likely find cheaper flights. Similarly, if your travel dates aren't set in stone, you can play around with the dates on your flight search to see if there's a cheaper option. Perhaps leaving a day earlier or returning a day later could save you a pretty penny. And let's not forget about indirect flights. Yes, they might add a few hours to your travel time, but they can also significantly cut down your expenses. After all, a layover could be an opportunity to explore a city you've never visited before. Flexibility is key when you're on a budget. Don't be afraid to explore all your options. Did you know that you can fly for less or even for free using airline rewards and discounts? That's right, many airlines offer rewards programs, where you earn points or miles each time you fly. These points can be redeemed for free flights, upgrades, and more. Some airlines even partner with hotels and car rental companies, allowing you to earn points on a variety of travel expenses. Now let's talk about airline credit cards. These cards, often co-branded with airlines, reward you with miles for every dollar you spend. Some even offer hefty sign-up bonuses that can get you a free flight right off the bat. Aside from these, airlines also offer other discounts such as student and group discounts. So whether you're a student backpacking across Europe or a family planning a vacation, there are savings to be made. Airline rewards and discounts are a great way to save money. Don't miss out on these opportunities. Let's quickly recap the steps to finding the cheapest flights. We began with the importance of thorough research and planning. Knowing where and when to look is half the battle won. We then moved on to flexibility, highlighting the benefits of being open to off-peak travel and alternative routes. We also delved into the world of airline rewards and discounts, showing you how to make them work to your advantage. Additionally, here are a few more savvy tips to keep up your sleeve. Consider clearing your browser cookies before starting your flight search. This can prevent airlines from tracking your searches and potentially hiking up prices. Also, setting up flight alerts can help you stay abreast of any price drops for your chosen destination. With these tips in mind, you're well on your way to finding the cheapest flights and making the most out of your travel budget. Safe travels!